Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really good today. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about these two amazing Wet n Wild eyeliner, breakup proof, waterproof, 16-hour wear, liquid eyeliner, and retractable eyeliner. These eyeliners are now available on Amazon. The first thing I did when I received these liners in the mail, I went ahead and did a swatch, and I went about my day. I bathed my son, I took a shower myself, and when I went to bed I realized that I still had the swatches on my hand. So you do want to remove them with makeup remover. I love the retractable one because it's so creamy and so soft. It glides effortlessly. And one thing you want to do is, if you notice, I have it on my waterline, and I went ahead right away and kind of got a little smudge brush and smoked it out a little bit. Once that eyeliner sets, it's not budging. The liquid is amazing. I noticed that it doesn't dry out, and it's also breakup proof, exactly like the name. They don't break up. This liquid liner is so jet black, so dark, so easy to use. One thing I love about it is that it's not the felt tip. If you are a fan of the felt tip, you're probably not gonna like this. This is the hair tip, and I happen to like the hair tip better than the felt tip because to create a graphic look like I have on, it requires for the point to be very kind of flexible, but also very thin at the end. And I find it that the hair on the hair liquid liners can do a better job at the graphic look, especially in the inner part where I went really thin, and then towards the end I had to go over it a couple times because I wanted the line to be thicker. The lines that you can create with this liquid liner is super thin, guys. So if you're somebody who struggles with like a wing liner or anything like that, this is a great liquid liner for you guys to try because it helps you by creating, you know, thin lines as opposed to a really chunky thick liquid liner. Also, the retractable one is so creamy and so soft. You're gonna see how amazing the retractable one is because it's super dark, it's jet black, and it just glides on the skin. So I wanted to create this really cool Cleopatra 70s, kind of like, reminds me of Bridget Bardot and Raquel Welch. Like they're known for their liners. I really love this vibe because if you're someone, you know, nowadays we have to wear a mask, you want to make up your eyes, you want to, you know, design an eye look, and I think it's really cool because the skin doesn't require like a lot. You can do like a very minimal skin. This doesn't require any eyeshadow. I just put a little bit on the bottom to smoke it out, and you'll see in the tutorial how I did it. But this is a great makeup look if you going out and you obviously should be wearing your mask. This is a great look to wear to show off your eyes. I originally had the look without lashes, and since I had to recreate this video again, the lighting on my first video was awful and I just couldn't see myself putting it up. So I wanted to do the entire look again. The more you practice at this look, the better you get at it. This isn't an easy look to create. For me, it isn't. I had to do it a couple of times, but I noticed that the more I do it, the better I get. You want to have some basic tools with you. I like to use Q-tips, even a brush that is like a very precise, a brush like this, like a precise brush where it's kind of firm that you can dip it in a little bit of makeup remover, and that's a great way to kind of fix the line if you guys want to fix it. But make sure there's not too much makeup remover on the brush. But that's a good tip if you want to clean up the work. If you make a mistake, don't take everything off. You can use a brush like this and just dip it and clean it off, or even with a Q-tip. Like I said, the only thing I did different was I added some lashes, and that's pretty much it. And I smoked out my lower lash line. But like I said, I love this look. It's very fun and it has that retro vibe to it. I wanted to mention that I do have a very similar look like this, but with eyeshadow. It was a Kim K inspired makeup look that I did a couple of months ago. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here so you guys can see that at the end of this. It's a little more glam than this look. I know you might think this is glam, but that eye look required eyeshadow. So if you want to see it with an eyeshadow look, then just click on the card up here at the end of this video. And if you guys want to see how I created it, just stick around for the tutorial. First, I'm starting with the retractable eyeliner, the breakup proof retractable pencil eyeliner. Not a pencil. Now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeliner brush to kind of smooth out my line. Get the liquid eyeliner, and I am going to trace that. Now I'm going to start in the inner corner of the eye and just create a line. You have to work in baby steps, because you don't want to just draw a line like that. I did this eye, but now I'm going to do this eye on camera and try to get it the exact same. That's always going to be the challenge, trying to duplicate the exact shape, positioning, and everything. So you have to just take little steps at a time and keep looking at your other eye. So let's work on this eye. First, it looks like a mess. So let me show you guys what I was talking about, cleaning the line. And a little bit of makeup remover and just kind of I plan to make that line thicker, so it doesn't matter if it's a little messed up at the beginning. Now let's use the retractable on the lower lash line. You're just going to trace it gently because this pencil does not require a lot of pressure. And then kind of just blend it out with your pencil eyeliner brush. Just gonna get a really light brown like this one right here. Any transition color or even a bronzer can work. And you're just gonna smoke out the lower lash line. which is a little different from the picture that I posted, but I kind of wanted to change it up a bit. That's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna finish with a little mascara, blush, and lipstick, and I'll be right back. That's it, guys. That is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I plan to do a giveaway real soon. I'm trying to gather some things that I have to do a giveaway on my channel, so you guys have to stick around because that might be either the next video or the video after that. So yes, I'm gonna do a fall makeup giveaway, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell here as well so you guys are notified when I do upload videos, especially the giveaway that's coming up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.